Hello and welcome to another update video on DOT. The Polkadot chart might have finally formed a price top in this fourth wave. So we have seen that reaction to the resistance area, I'd say as expected. That was the idea, that we get one more low. Ideally it was, it was at least ideal. It was at least ideal. You never know. Sometimes they form lows a little early. But it looks like the market might want to go for that fifth wave down to move towards $3.73, which is the next Fibonacci level that hasn't been tested yet. Potentially just to the previous swing low. I mean, it might just tap that at 383. So these are the next two levels to watch. Quick reminder for anybody who might have missed previous videos, the idea is that this here is a correction. I mean, I did label that as WXY, which is still correct, but I think actually it does look better as a simple ABC structure now with the proportions that have kind of formed here, aligned here, which doesn't really change any levels, but we want to have it academically correct as well. So like that, right? Like an ABC structure to the downside, and the C wave is a 5-wave decline. So that's what we are tracking essentially. And again, it doesn't change any levels. So, the idea is this is a B wave pullback, and B waves can typically only be, well, they are only corrective waves, corrective structures. So there is a key support area which has already been tested. So whenever these support areas, standard support, are being tested, then, typically you would expect a reversal, an upside reversal, a move up from there. And that, however, needs to align with the wave count ideally. So we don't always see the market follow through on all ideal microstructures all the way down to the 1 hour time frame. But usually it does, not always. Usually it does. So if we now get that one more low, this is where I would be watching for a reversal. And then we'll see if the market can generate a first upside impulse, which could be circle wave 1, yeah, wave 1 of C. Let me actually change the wave degree here. Wave 1 of C, that would be a first, you could say, upside impulse, which could then set the stage for a pullback, which again then should set the stage for a third wave rally. And this is how we can track the market move higher. At the moment, because the overall chart is quite messy, we talked about the larger time frame in previous updates, I'm not super confident that we are going to see a major rally, but I'm definitely open here, and I would expect another reaction here to support. What needs to happen is, though, that we react to the support area before the price breaks decisively below $3.62. So it should be the last low, ideally, now that's forming. And if we then see an upside impulse, that is our signal that the C wave up has started. We could then see the market move towards $6.16 or $7.15. I'm open to further upside in our, let's say, white count here, which is an alternative, more directly bullish count, but shouldn't take us to all-time highs, maybe into the area between $11 and $15. But let's first see how the market reacts to support, and if we can actually rally further into this resistance area. Let's get the bulls prove that first. Again, it is the preferred interpretation, but for now, obviously, in the very short term, we should get that one more low. That's at least my preference. So that's the update on DOT. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, if you're interested in additional updates, make sure to follow us on X. You can ask questions there, engage with the community. There are additional updates and some behind-the-scenes stuff, mindset stuff. So yeah, check it out. I've linked our X profile in the description and in the comment section. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.